Hey, it's been a long time. Use one for today's makeup. Water light stick to moisturize the whole. This water light stick is really super moist. Kind of oily. The feeling of being oily and sticky. That is, after you need to paint it, it is best to give it to him with your hands. It would be better to rub it. Otherwise, I feel that it may be on the follow-up makeup. Well, there will be a feeling of floating on the face. I personally think so. But the overall moisture level is still very good. Today, the base makeup uses the air cushion of Givenchy. Then for the color number, we'd better try to choose it today. The kind that is cold and white. Foundation color. Speaking of Givenchy, I seem to have bought the first one. The expensive cosmetics brand is Givenchy. So I have an inexplicable affection for him. Use us again. Pink white brightening. Today, the whole journey is 1.2 times faster. I didn't know you guys would like me a little bit. This feeling of speeding up a little bit, or I am still full. Cheng will increase the speed to 1.5 times or twice for you. The fast one would be better. Of course you can do it yourself. It is also possible to see the more accelerated double digits. Same here. I found that I am now. Better not focus, especially to cover the tear ditch. I feel like I'm done covering the tear ditch. It was strange. And my tear ditch can't cover it, so I'll just... on the face. Some flaws, especially in the tear ditch. I don't care about him. Brightening or the whole is the top in the face. Pat it open with a small puff. This brightening has really appeared many times, but recently, the C I prefer to use is Mao J, the flat highlight cream. These two are brightened if you use more. If I need to paint some complexion, I will choose. Draw only this small. Pink white. Then you need something more advanced, or natural, inflated. I will choose Mal Geping's highlight. Still the same nose. Child, this paragraph. Brightening must be light. Shoot lightly, don't give him too much range. Try to keep us. It is the shadowy space of its own nose shadow. Then there is the brightening of the corners of the mouth and chin. I am very small. Range and then use less amount. Take out our setting powder. The color of my powder is a bit deep. Oh, if you have the conditions, your best choice is transparent loose powder or something brighter. Eyebrow powder. This time we choose these two colors to be brown. Color system, mix it up. Roughly describe the shape of our own eyebrow shape. About your eyebrows. Well, I think you have to. Adjust it yourself according to the 3 quarts and 5 eyes. Your eyebrow shape and eyebrow length or something. Add some hair glue here. It's a dark brown eyebrow pencil. Finally, use a brown one. Eyebrow dye cream dyes the overall eyebrows the same color. I feel like my eyebrow dye. The color is a little warmer if. Change it to that kind again. Cool colors might be a little better. I need this trimming tray from Tachibana today. In fact, he is also easy to use. Well, because of the evaluation, he really did a good job of repairing the faceplate. Then add me to go to Japan and I found people over there seem to like to use this. I don't know why Tachibana's grooming plate also out. Country. We use first. Roughly set a few points. Take a look. Then sweep him away. You can pay more attention here. Look how my brush is done. I just brush my brush maybe a little. Turn around. Is it easier? This is also my own makeup education later. Send the video. I am now myself. Makeup didn't notice at all that I would turn the brush. Slowly sweep the back of the nose like this. Naturally, basically only this time. Overall smudge shape. Because my nose is still fleshy. It used to be hard to accept, now I accept it. Try to bring the eye mask as much as possible, and our lower eyeshadow. Try to deepen only the second half here. Just go a little longer in the second and first half. Brighten with. To brighten the nose part many times. After brightening, use your fingers. Rub it because it will bring our shaded part. It may be shaded. Cover it and we'll rub it clean with our fingers. The bridge of the nose is brightened. Try to brighten it up a little wider like this. Weak our noses. The most central point of the nose is. Be considerate. Let's be whole. The bridge of the nose also looks narrower. The center point is. Look a little higher, let the nose. Here to brighten the corners of our eyes a lot. And then this. Partial demarcation between shadow and light. The line will be a little more pronounced and highlight ours. Eyebrow bone. The eyeshadow used in this plate is really 100 colors. Use this first on the end of our eyes. First click to shoot up. Click to shoot up and then small range. Be sure to note here, because of our deepest, partly at the end of the eye. Use the same color for the lower eyeshadow. Try to add the second half and then put the eyeshadow too, down to more smudges. Halo out a little bit. This will make the the eyes makeup a little bigger. Alright, use this one again. The color is lighter than the one just colored. You can see that it must be shallower than the one just now. The part that doesn't go up much in the middle of the eyelids. Double eyelid sticking method. Top video, if you are interested, you can take a look. Just stick it as that kind of super large flat fan. However, this flat fan will press the eyes more, just so you can see. A bit of a ghost, the feeling that the eyes of the sun can't be opened. This part is the very basic operation of curling eyelashes. Then brush the upper and lower eyelashes. Reuse density for styling effect. Type to quadratic superposition. And a dark brown. Come and draw our eyeliner. Let's make a base for the eyeliner first. Here, look at the corner of the eye. Put the corner of your eye first. With the corner of our eye. Don't worry if they are connected in the middle. Draw first. To wrinkle your eyes again. Hey, why isn't it wrinkled yet? Go further here and connect to about. Under our eyeballs and then wrinkle. Fill in the empty space in the middle and try to tick down. A little like this. The shape of the corners of our eyes will be more natural. Okay, take it again. Try your best. Take it under our eyeballs and back a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead. eyeliner above the eyelids. Just keep filling in with this dark brown one. Draw that outer eyeliner with us with an eyeliner pen. It's the same as the inner eyeliner. Fill in ours first, and then extend it further. Continue to the end of our eyes. Extend by 2 to 3 millimeters. You take this step. When powdering, you can try your best. Take a little less, or shake the powder as much as possible after rolling. Otherwise, this step is easy. Have that powder fall on your face. It may make the makeup look a little dirty. Or choose the one that won't. Eyeshadow with powdered mashed potatoes texture. The false eyelashes are pasted in this shape. Just stick it to your eyes as much as possible. With our eyeliner pen, along the end of the eye, we just draw the bottom of that eyeliner for him. Then pull it out in the direction of our eyelashes. Go draw, you see. I keep it open. You are almost. It can be seen that it is the same square as the eyelashes. It's almost integrated. Adjust the shape of our eyeliner. Up is the top. A layer of eyeliner for mom. Fill in and keep opening your eyes, squinting to adjust. Connect more naturally. That's almost there, but this eyeliner looks a little dull. So it's cooled here. Just give it to him again. Extended sharp point, and take out the dark brown one we just had. Go get the top half of our eyeliner. Give it a smudge. That foggy feeling. Lighten the real and false eyelashes. Pinch it lightly, because this false eyelash is free. Glue. With our grooming colors. I finished Eyebrow Sal this time, Eyebrow Sal. Don't need to be too wide. Try to be as narrow as possible and focus on the first half. Just deepen the first half. The tail is slightly wrapped. Wrap it up a little. It will be more natural to rub it with your fingers again, with just dark brown. Bit by bit. Draw a lower finger to connect to us just now. The position of the corner of the eye. In the direction of the smudge. Then faint in the direction of the lower limbs of the eyelids, with a pure white, to brighten our double eyelid, a small part of the front. Brightening. What am I talking about? Just throw it away one by one. Look at the place I highlighted. Don't be too little. Not the whole eye will brighten. If you can, just brighten it to the front double eyelid. The pleats are about the same width. Then focus on deepening the corners of our eyes. The brightest place to brighten is in the corner of our eyes. Take a look at our bedroom. Brighten up the silkworm a little. It's okay if you can't see it. Ready to copy and paste. Take out this blush. This will be a little bit partial fluorescence, but it's very complexion. This one is orange and milk apricot. Take another darker earth orange. Pressure on the outer contours of our cheekbones. It's a big halo like a nose. Just bring a little color in a small amount. Or lip liner as a base. Wrap the entire lower lip. It is a more conventional way of drawing the lower lip. Wrap it up. But our mouths. 2 of the lower lip, side as much as possible a little bit outward, will look fuller. Here is a smile. Lips, but I don't think my smiling lips are very well drawn. You can go to the reference drawing good blogger. Wrap it back a little more on the upper lip. To draw smiling lips is to wrap it back a little bit. Then smudge him directly with a lip brush. Why not deepen? I'm in the middle because I don't think I can deepen. All the same, I'm not very suitable for deepening people. Use this color as a base first. I think this color. You don't have to because he's very light. As soon as he unscrews it, it's almost gone. Use a lip brush. The whole lip is smudged. Just smudge and smudge this color. It's a very light color. It's Ben, the feeling of being a solid color, and it feels a bit silly mouth. Well, try to put all the liquid foundation on your lips. Rub a little clean. The edge can be left a little bit without affecting it. Mainly this, only the color. This color will be very tender. Pink and pink stacked on. In the middle of the lip, and then twist it clearly. Just screw it to nature. Finally, the bridge of the nose is brightened with pure white.